Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are on the second video review of the unboxing of the Huafit Watch Metro 2. On this video, we are going to continue and explore the Watch Metro 2. We are going to focus on the menus and features. So if you want to know more about the available features for the Watch Metro 2, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's start and explore the Huafit Watch Metro 2. So before we check out the menus and features, let's have a closer look again at the Huafit Watch Metro 2 from Huafit by Elon. So we have here a physical button, a metal button. It's not rotary. And for the UI for this wearable, so we have here the settings, the options for the smartwatch. On the bottom part, we have the notifications. On the left side, we have a split screen. And on the right side, we have the different components or widgets. You can add your own, and you can also remove other widgets. To access the main menu, just press this power button. So we have here a bubble type. Again, it is not a rotary button. Let's see if we can zoom in. No. Okay, so let's change this to the list menu so we can check out the available options for the smartwatch. Let's go to the settings. Let's check if it's available here. Display. We have here the menu style and list. Press the power button. Okay, next, let's press it again. And we have here the different features or functions menus available for the Huafit Watch Metro 2. So we have the sports functions. We have this one for the Bluetooth call. The Bluetooth call has a support for adding phone numbers, dial pad, and call history. We have automatic activity tracking. We have health functions here. We have blood oxygen monitoring, heart rate, and sleep monitoring. We also have here the sports record, weather report. We have a voice assistant, Bluetooth music control function. We have message notifications. What's this? We have breath training, remote photo control, search phone. Another one is women's health monitoring or women's health physiological function. We have utilities. Okay, so here are the tools included in the utilities. We have alarm clock, we have calculator, calendar, stopwatch, flashlight, and timer. For the settings, we have display function. This includes the brightness adjustment. Let's see. So we have a very good brightness here. We have display time or screen timeout. We have menu style. How many style do we have? We have only 3. Honeycomb, list, and waterfall. We have available watch faces. Let's see. So this is the option here, or the style of watch faces on the box. So we have a lot of options here, or styles. So let's select this one. Going back, settings, we have language support, SOS. What else do we have here? Sound and vibration, do not disturb mode, the QR code for the support app. We have password, system, power off, restart, and reset. And of course, we have the product information. Huafit Metro 2 for the model. For the sports functions, let's check. So we have here walking, running, cycling. We also have here mountaineering, badminton. Okay, so it's just sad that it is not a rotary button. We have to use the swipe, okay, feature of the smartwatch, or touch feature of the screen. We have badminton, ping pong, basketball, football, jump rope, tennis, baseball, yoga, golf, volleyball, and Pilates and skiing sports. So we have at least, how many sports do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16 sports. So we only have 16 sports here. Limited sports functions for our Huafit Watch Metro 2. But I like the color here and the brightness of the screen display. It is also responsive. The touch is responsive. Okay, easy to swipe, easy to select. Calculator, we have flashlight. Okay, so that's it for the different features and menus available for our Huafit Watch Metro 2. So if you are interested to know more about this wearable, drop a comment below. And subscribe if you want to see other features of the Huafit Watch Metro 2. On the next video, we are going to have a demo of the different features of the Huafit Watch Metro 2 smartwatch. Again, subscribe to our channel, like and share. Bye.